this, you know, since morning, since 2 hours, constantly you're sitting at same position. ठीक है? तो इससे ये होगा, I'm trying to share the neuroscience knowledge with you all people, and first of all, please empty your cups when you are sitting here. Empty your cups. You may be with good qualifications, with more number of experience than the speakers over here, but still, if you empty your cup, something goes into that. You will learn something real. ठीक है? और हम जितने भी चीजें आपको बातें बता रहे हैं, सभी research based practice, proven practices हैं. तो as I was saying, कि जब आप constantly बैठ रहे हैं, आप माशाल्लाह 2 hours से बैठ रहे हैं, लेकिन I can see all your faces, still you are very active. Okay, but usually what happens with the students, बच्चों से ये होता कि when they sit constantly at one position for more than 15 to 20 minutes, you have heard about right brain, left brain? Yes. Okay, I'm a right-hander basically, so which of my brain will be active? Yes. Mashallah, very good. My left brain will be active for, okay, and it is going to control the all the right parts of my body. Similarly, vice versa will be the right brain will be controlling the left parts. But usually what happens with the students when they sit और एक क्या चीज होती है कि ये cycle shifting रहती है. Sometimes, okay, let's do one thing. Let me make you sense that. Okay, just take your index finger and keep it near your nostrils, even those who are wearing stools. और इसमें देखिए अब एक nostril आपकी चल रही है जो exhale कर रही है. Just take it and tell me right or left. Which one is active? It may be right for some people and it may be left. So I mean to say that there will be switching between the right and left. अब जिस किसी का भी right है for 30 minutes or more than that it will be right. After some time it will shift to the left. और जिसका left है it will shift to right. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं circadian rhythm. Every 30 minutes or more or less ये shifting होते हैं. तो shifting होने का मतलब है कि both your brains, some a part of one brain is active for some time and for some time the other is. But when you sit, when you or the student sit constantly at one place, this cycle of shifting will come to halt. Stuck हो जाता है, brains काम नहीं करते. बच्चे कभी-कभी बैठते शुरू में आप लोग observe करें कि if you have 40 minutes की अपनी class है, तो first 15 to 20 minutes they'll be very active in the class. पहले 15-20 मिनट बहुत active रहते, अच्छे answers देते, responses देते, फिर उसके बाद से नहीं देते. Do they? तो तब वैसे पोजीशन पे क्या करना है? We need to have some physical activity. ये अभी जो हमारे पास हुई, अब आप देखिए, you can feel the difference between when I came, I was trying to search for my presentation and all. तब लोग आप जब बैठे थे उतना एक्टिवनेस नहीं था जितना कि अभी है. Are you all feeling more active or not? Yes. Before we had activity, not only the participants, the 4 participants, even the audience are feeling bit active. Fine. तो इस तरह की कोई physical activity होना. तो but every day our 40 minutes of class does not permits us to have all these. It may take 3 to 4 minutes. तो बैठे-बैठे वो लोग जो भी पोजीशन पे बैठे हैं वहां पे आप क्रॉस लैटरल एक्टिविटीज करा सकते हैं. You want to learn? Yes. Shall I share with you? Yes. We call them as cross lateral activities. या फिर आप नेट पे एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं. They are also called as brain gym activities.